Beijing Xinsheng Electronics Import and Export Trading Company Limited is a branch company of Jinli Yang and Kexun, responsible for exporting business and offering good services to customers. We will use our practical actions, professional knowledge, and experiences to show our sincerity. Jinli Yang was established in 1998, and it has received a lot of good feedback from customers because of complete production facilities and acquisite production technologies. The main products of Jinli Yang are AC, DC, 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 indoor and outdoor power switches, and professional manufacturing of such power suppliers. The spirit of the manufacturing is to keep researching and developing new products to satisfy different customers with different requirements. Since its establishment, the manufacturing has greatly been supported by the customers. Kexun is specialized in the design and manufacture of power switch products for industrial use. Kexun keeps ahead in the power switch industry, relying on the first-class production equipment, professional knowledge of production, perfect production capacity, and professional production technical personnel. It has a full range of switching power supply products. The main products are AC, DC, 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 indoor and outdoor, and it is a professional manufacturer of AC, DC, DC, DC power suppliers. The products are used in different markets. The certification of products are CE, CB, ROHS, KCC, UL, TUV Mark, CTUV US, etc. Currently, Kexun is equipped with plug, SMT, all kinds of testing equipments, experienced personnel at all positions. It boasts of independent research and development capacities, domestic and foreign products, OEM and independent brand products and production markets. Xinsheng Company always adheres to the principle of market orientation as the direction, driven by innovation, to seek survival with quality, to develop for growth with a sincere business reputation and a vast number of customers at home and abroad, in order to create a better tomorrow.